In this video, I'll show you how to use functions like sum, AVG, min, and max in Google Sheets. Open your spreadsheet and click on the cell where you want the function result to appear. This could be any empty cell in your grid. Once you click it, you'll see a blue border around the cell showing it's selected. This is where your calculated total, average, minimum, or maximum will display. Type an equals sign followed by the function name. For example, if you want to add up numbers, type equals sum. For an average, type equals average or equals AVG. For the smallest value, type equals min. And for the largest value, type equals max. As you type, Google Sheets will show suggested formulas, and a function help box will pop up showing you the syntax and an example. Now type an opening parenthesis. You'll see a gray bracket appear next to your cursor. That's the range selection signal telling you it's ready for you to specify which cells to calculate. Next, select the range of cells you want to calculate. You can do this three ways. Type the cell addresses directly, like A1:A10, click and drag from the first cell to the last cell, or use your arrow keys to select the range. As you select the cells, they'll be highlighted in color to match how their address appears in the formula, which makes it easier to see what you're calculating. Type the closing parenthesis and press enter. The function is applied and the calculated result appears in the cell. Your complete formula will look something like equals sum, open parenthesis, A1:A10, close parenthesis, which adds all the values in that range. Average gives you the mean, MRE returns the smallest value, and max returns the largest value. Tips. If you need to edit the function later, click the cell again. The function help box stays visible while you edit, and there's a Learn More link at the bottom if you need the full documentation. To copy that same function to other cells, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a plus sign appear, then drag down or across. That's called the fill handle, and it'll copy your formula and automatically adjust the cell references for each row or column. Thanks for watching.